Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Siri and make a call using Siri. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Siri. Then, tap on Talk to Siri and turn on Siri or Hey Siri. To train Siri to recognize your voice, tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to say a few phrases like, "Hey Siri, how's the weather?" "Hey Siri, send a message." "Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes." "Hey Siri, get directions home." "Hey Siri, play some music." Siri will use these phrases to learn your voice. After completing the voice training, tap Done. Once set up, you can activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or by pressing the side button. To make a call with Siri, just say, "Hey Siri, call Senior IT." Siri will automatically dial the number, and the call will start, and that's it. You've successfully set up Siri and can now make hands-free calls anytime. Thank you for watching.